Hi guys, I have an old iMac from 2013 and I am dual booting a Linux distro on the computer. I am planning to trade it in for a new MacBook Pro and I want to format the computer so my data doesn't get into the wrong hands. I searched online for almost a day on how to do the factory reset and I did not find any video. All I found was an article that was talking about Command R, which did not work for me because of the dual booting I have on the system. So I thought this might be useful to have a tutorial on how to do a factory reset on an iMac that is also running a Linux. So guys, let's get right into the video. Thank you. You restart the system and press Command R and hold. This is what it shows, which in turn takes us to the Linux part of the system. It is loading now. So what you're going to do is power it off. Then you restart. Then you press the Alt key and hold Macintosh HD and the API boot. You click on the Macintosh HD. Then it loads. Then click on Disk Utility. Click on Continue. Click on the Macintosh HD data. Then the volume minus key. Delete volume group. Click on Done. Then go to View. Show all devices. Click on Apple HDD. Click on Erase. Rename the Apple HDD. Click on Erase. Click on Done. Then you go to Disk Utility and quit. Reinstall Mac OS. Click on Continue. You click on Continue. Agree to terms and conditions. Click on Apple HDD. Click on Install. Note that when you do this, the Linux part of the system also goes off. So the computer will only have Mac OS installed. So this took a long period of time, but I skipped all this part. Like I said, I'm trading my iMac for a MacBook Pro. But if you're just formatting your system just to have the Mac OS on it, you can do all this process. But I'm just going to leave it as it is because I'm trading it in for another computer. The whole point of doing this was to get rid of all my data on the computer. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye.